Chart your own path in your next Prezi Design project by uploading a custom map. In the Prezi Design editor, select Add Map in the left side toolbar. Next, expand the Custom tab and select Upload. Heads up that you can only upload a custom map if you're part of a Prezi Team plan. Choose a file from your computer and select Open. Prezi Design supports JSON, GeoJSON, KML, and TopoJSON files. After selecting the file, you'll see a pop-up where you can set the map's parameters. Under ID, pick the option that will be used to map your data. In this case, let's choose the name. Under Group Name, select the option that will be used to arrange your entries into groups. The label you pick, here, will be displayed when viewers hover over the map. When you're all set, select Import. Once the file is done processing, your map is ready for you and your team members to use anytime. You can access it from the Custom tab under Add Map. To add the uploaded map to a project, hover over it and select Insert, or just drag and drop it onto the canvas. If you hover over the three dots icon on the thumbnail of an uploaded map, you can rename it, download it as a GeoJSON file, or delete it. If you choose to delete a map, be aware that neither you nor your team members will be able to access it afterward. However, it will still remain intact in all of the projects where it's already been used. That's it. Next, check out our other tutorials to learn how you can add data to your map and customize it, and head over to Prezi.com to start creating your next engaging project.